Hi guys, it's Matthew here from the Skibbereen Food Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make my spicy chicken wing recipe. I used to make this in Dublin about 20 years ago, and we used to sell so many of them, and they're so tasty and so nice. So listen, have a go with this, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, the first thing we have to do is get our chicken wings that was just bought locally from our local supermarket. And what we're going to do is put them in a bowl, and we're just going to use this Cajun blackened seasoning. And we're going to put quite a bit of the seasoning, and we're just going to marinate this or mix it all through so we have a lovely, lovely coating on the chicken wings. So the next thing, we've got our Cajun seasoning all kind of mixed into the chicken wings. We're going to put these all into the air fryer, okay? And we're just going to put these roughly, and we're going to put the air fryer on 160 degrees for 35 minutes, okay? So while our chicken wings are cooking in the air fryer, we can start making our spicy sauce. So we've got our lovely hot sauce that we can buy from any supermarket. It's about half a cup. Then I'm going to put about a quarter of a cup of honey, okay? Then we have some garlic salt. We just want to pinch, okay, just a little bit, because this is only for one portion. And then we've got a pinch of cayenne and a pinch of black pepper, okay? And then what we're going to do is put our quarter cup of butter. It's just a little bit of butter, and that's basically the sauce, and all we do is heat this up. And here we have the sauce now, just heated up. Obviously it's just all come together. And what we've done, we've just heated up, it's in the pan, and we've got our chicken wings here, okay, all cooked from the air fryer, and they all go in there. And all we do is toss these around. All we do is toss these around, okay, and then we present. And that's it really, and we just put these all into the bowl. Okay, here we have it. It's really simple dish, really tasty, high in protein, okay? And if you don't want to use the butter, that's fine. I'm just going to garnish it with a bit of parsley, okay? So it stands out a bit. And so there.